All right, so if like me you enjoy your Logitech PowerPlay charging pad along with your mouse, so you don't have any more cable on your mouse and it charges automatically the mouse. When you put the mouse on the pad, you will see this light here turn on. That means that your mouse is charging. No more thinking about charging the mouse, no more cable, that's very perfect. Problem with this pad is that it comes with a generic Logitech pad that after a while, as you can see, gets damaged. So what's the solution for that? Where can you find the replacement pad and can you make a custom pad? Well, we are going to find about that right now. So you can get a replacement pad, you can actually get exactly the same pad. And the Logitech website, it's called the Logitech G240. This is the pretty much the same pad that comes with the PowerPlay pad. So if you just want to replace this pad with exactly the same, here you go to Logitech, get the G240 and you are good to go. Because of course, after a while, the pad gets used and you move your mouse around, so it's not going to last forever. But I have an even better solution. I find this website called Ink Gaming and I order a custom large gaming mousepad which was 13 inches by 11 inches. And the good news is that you can design the pad yourself. So you submit your design and then you can have the pad with your picture that you like here. Problem is, I didn't know if the pad is going to work with the wireless charging system because obviously you need to have the pad as thin as possible. So the under pad, the pad that is actually charging your mouse, which is under this, actually is can send the wireless charging signal through the pad, so it don't have to be super thick. But I took my chances and I went to Ink Gaming and I ordered this custom pad. And now I'm going to test it and see if it works, see if it fits, if the dimension 13 by 11 inches fits exactly this square, and also if my mouse is going to charge when I'm using this new pad. All right, let's find out about that just now. All right, so after designing the pad online, that's how it arrived. So it arrived in this little tube. Let's see now the results of my custom order. Hopefully it is as expected. All right. Opening the tube. All right, tube is open. Quite impatient to see the results. Let's see, it's quite stuck there. Since the pad it's rubber, it's kind of stuck inside the tube. Okay, this system. All right, now it comes. Here it is. Oop, that's it, nothing else in the tube, just the pad. All right, and revealing the nicely designed pad, of course, with the channel logo on it. Okay, well, the printing is very well done. From I can see, you have some vivid color. I hope you can see that as well on the video. Very like some vivid color. It printed the way I sent it with the little black bar. Unfortunately, I cannot remove this little black bar there on the design, so they print with it. Quality is very nice, feels nice. It's not super thick. It has this stitching on the side there. It's probably they do that to avoid the pad after a while to peel out, maybe the design to peel out. And here we have this anti-slip rubber surface that gave me trouble with the tube earlier. And next step now, it's to go and see if this pad will work with the PowerPlay from Logitech. Let's go and try that. Logitech PowerPlay charging pad with the basic mousepad versus new design, custom design mousepad. Will it work? Will it charge? Will it be the same size? We're going to find out right now. All right, time to try it. So I'm going to remove the mouse. You can see that the light shut off, it's not charging anything. Removing the basic Logitech pad. There we go. So now we have the charging mat right here. A little bit dusty now. Okay, anyway. So now I'm going to put the new custom-made Journey Load pad. Here we go, on the Logitech PowerPlay pad. There we go, the size is slightly smaller. When selecting 13 by 11 inches, the size is slightly smaller than the original PowerPlay pad. Very slightly smaller, so it's not a big deal. That was the closest size I can find on their website. Still no charging, of course. I haven't put the mouse yet, but the pad feels very nice. Very nice to the touch too. Okay, so all good. No anti-slip, because of the bottom of the pad have this rubber anti-slip surface. Matches with here, it's already a bit anti-slip rubbery surface, so both together, and it's not going anywhere. Now, the moment of truth, bringing the mouse. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. The mouse is going to touch the pad, and it works! We have a go! So, here you go. The mouse is charging. As you can see, PowerPlay works perfectly. The pad is not thick enough, or I should say it's not too thick, so it lets the charging wave, the wireless charging wave passing through, and it's charged the mouse without any problem, and it feels very nice actually to move this mouse on the top of this surface. But here we go, guys, we have it now. Works perfectly all around and charging wirelessly. In gaming, it's a great page to order your custom pad. If you have, like me, a PowerPlay and you want to change and have something completely custom, completely, you know, up to you, instead of the basic Logitech black mousepad. So, hope you like this video. Enjoy your PowerPlay and go visit InGaming. I really recommend it. It's a really great quality printing and also a nice material, like I said. Feels very great, and it feels awesome to move the mouse around there. Perfecto.